Are you ready to make an on-the-go, quick and easy meal replacement green smoothie recipe? Right here is all you need. So watch this video to learn how to make it. What's up, rock stars? It's Jen here from Simple Green Smoothies, and today we're gonna spend some time in my kitchen making an on-the-go green smoothie recipe. This is a great meal replacement smoothie. First thing I wanna share though, I live in Florida. I've never seen a strawberry this big. When I went to the store today to buy some of these ingredients, I saw these and I could not help but buy them. So isn't this amazing? Like, huge. So this recipe will use strawberries, so that's why they are here. But one of the things when you're making smoothies is I think they are the healthiest fast food that you can take anywhere you go. And so I like to make meal replacements out of them. The recipe we're gonna do today is kind of like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich turned into a green smoothie is where the inspiration came from. So let's make it now. Okay, the first thing we're gonna add is 1 cup of kale. And right here I have baby kale, which is easy to buy in the store. It's also milder than most kale. So baby kale is a great option if you want to start rotating your greens and move away from spinach. Kale has more protein than spinach, so that's a great benefit to it. This right here is another kind of kale. If you are using this, it's called dinosaur kale or lactino kale, I think is how you say it. Lactino, I don't really know. I call it dinosaur kale because that's easier for me and my kids. What I would do is make sure to peel off the stem of it. So this is the most bitter part of the kale. You do not want this in your smoothie if you care about how it tastes. So take this off, just add the greens, add the leafy part, and that will help your kale smoothie turn out less bitter, less like long clipping, stuff like that. So that's how you fix that. All right, I probably add a little more than a cup now, but that's okay because leafy greens are always a winner for me. The next thing we're gonna add in is 1 cup of almond milk. This is unsweetened almond milk because when you buy it sweetened, there's sugar added to it, there's a bunch of other stuff, and we don't need any of that because we are gonna sweeten this smoothie with natural sugars found in our banana and in the strawberries and the berries. So next we can add in half of the banana. So what makes this a meal replacement smoothie is that it is thicker, it's heavier in your stomach, it has more healthy fats and protein, which are gonna keep you full longer and actually complete it as a meal. So we've got half a banana, which makes it creamier, adds some potassium too, and sweetness. Then we're gonna do 1 cup of frozen berries. You can buy mixed berries at the grocery store. I don't like to do that though, because they add in blackberries and blackberries have seeds, and I don't like when my smoothies have the seeds in it. I add a little bit of frozen blueberries and a little bit of frozen strawberries and frozen cherries. So I make my own mixed berry blend out of 3 different frozen fruits. So we're gonna add that in here. The thing with berries is they're low glycemic too, so they're not gonna spike your blood sugar levels as much, and you're still gonna get that sweetness, but not the extra calories with it too. The last 2 things we're gonna add are our healthy fats and our proteins. So right here is almond butter. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of almond butter, all right, to the smoothie. This almond butter, the only ingredient in it is almonds. So make sure to read your labels so that you're not getting things with additives. And here's some oatmeal. So oatmeal helps add some fiber, helps bulk it up. There's even protein in it. So if you don't like texture, if you have texture issues, sometimes I do, I soak my oatmeal before. So this is a 1/4 cup of soaked oats. I just put some water in it, let it sit for a couple minutes, and it really softened it up a lot. Okay, and there you have it. That's all the ingredients we're using in our meal replacement green smoothie recipe. So let's blend it up. That is 1 creamy brown smoothie. So you may be wondering, I thought you said we were making a green smoothie. Why the heck is it brown? It's because of the berries. So yes, we added our greens, we added lots of kale, but the berries turn things brown. So it's still technically a green smoothie, just looks green. And when I am taking this on the go, I will put a lid on it. These are some of my favorite ones that we have at Simple Green Smoothies. take it to go just like this. I can bring it in the car, I can bring it on the way to work, I can put it in the fridge and have it for lunch at work, whatever I need to do to make sure that I have my green smoothie as a meal replacement, so I'm not reaching for the pizza or the bagels or all the other foods that are so tempting, but when we're trying to look our best, they're not really gonna help us get there. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you want to learn more about meal replacements, check out the video over here. And if you want to even go further on your journey and lose more weight, check out our resets. We do seasonal 7-day, 21-day plant-based resets, which start with a green smoothie and then have plant-based meals, snacks, and dessert. So check it out. I hope you like it, and I can't wait to see you watching more of my videos. All right, bye you guys.